What's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. What's up, Mike? Let's pull that 101. Oh, sorry, Adam's texting me. I tagged and then I was watching the end of the Pelicans game. That's why it took me a little bit longer. You're here because I made you do it. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, this pot 1747. It's probably gonna be worth more than any card I could probably pull out of here. I guess there's a couple that would be worth more. What's up, Ben? Benjamin? Or as Mike calls you, Clucky. Chronicles, good chance. Optic Contenders, could feel it. Doubtful in hoops, but never know. Good luck, good luck. Thanks, everyone, for the fill. Of course, I forgot top loaders. Give me 10 seconds. If I can remember where I put them. Alright, I got some top loaders. Let's do this. We're going to start with hoops, the new class, then we'll go to Chronicles. We'll finish up with Optic Contenders. Did the Bulls come back and, or they hold off that game? They had a huge lead. I saw the Thunder kind of chipping away. I didn't see the final. I got a belt on. Good luck, good luck. They held on. Who's the 1 seed now in the East? The Bulls still there? Good luck, everyone. Thanks again for the fill as always. Top load the top rookies. Now, take care of all the other rookies at another time. The Heat are the 1 seed. I knew they were close or took it over. Nets are the 2 seed. Bulls hanging on for the 3. The Bucks sneak up and finally take the 4, I hope. I saw that the Nets lost to the T-Wolves, right? I saw Anthony Edwards got hurt. Hopefully he's okay. I think it was like a bumped knee. Hoops always takes so long to open the packs. So many packs and not that many packs in each card. Bulls are injured bad. A lot of teams are getting hurt. I don't know if anyone has it as bad as the Bulls right now, but Anthony Edwards is okay. That's good. Alright, let's get this half. Good luck. Let's find a big new class rookie auto. Mitchell, Graham, Clay, Hero, Covington, Hoarder on the green to 99 for the Bucks. Brook Lopez. That is 58 of 99. Nice rookie for the Thunder, Josh Giddey. Jeremy Grant, Jordan, Dragic, Caldwell Pope, Crowder, Walker. Road to the finals. That's a short print for a road to the finals. Giannis for the Bucks. That one's to 199. They've been 2021. That's a nice shorter print. 3 of 199 for the Bucks. Scotty Barnes, nice rookie for the Raptors. Kenyon Martin Jr., 80. Fultz, DeRozan, Fournier, Russell. We got zero gravity insert. Bam Adebayo for the Heat. And for the Grizzlies, Sante Aldama. KD would have torched. KD is just so freaking good. He's an amazing player. Can't wait to see where he goes next year. Just kidding, Riley. Just kidding. We got Steph, Finley Smith, Kendrick Williams, Capella, Beverly Murray. We got a now playing Usman Garuba for the Rockets. Miles McBride, rookie for the Knicks. Fred VanVleet, Bobby Portis, Drummond, Vassell, Oladipo, Bridges. We got next for the Thunder, Josh Giddey. Corey Kispert for the Wizards. Wendell Carter Jr. Sadiq Harris, Beasley, Harrell, Gobert. We got for the Knicks, rookie on the purple, Quentin Grimes. Grimes. Trey Mann, rookie for the Thunder. Ben Simmons, Terrence Ross, Bullock, Green, Brogdon, and Patrick Williams. Gotta remember to look for the Redbacks. Just kidding, Riley. You think he likes it there in Brooklyn? Probably. Sometimes I think I see frustration on him, like, man, what did I get myself involved with? Kyrie. I kind of like Harden. Seems like he adjusted his game a little bit. High Court Hollow, Trae Young. That's a nice card for Atlanta. Ayo, he had a half quarter today? Buzzer beater to end the third. Darius Baisley, Booker. They say he's a steal of the draft. I don't know if I can argue with that. Brook Lopez. Jimmy Butler. He loves it. Loves it. Gordon Hayward, Triple J. Road to the finals, Bron. That one is to 2021 for the Lake Show. Hard into the Sixers. Like a trade for Ben Simmons. That is number 5 of 2021. Nice rookie. Cade Cunningham for Detroit. Number 1 pick. Kevin Love. Gordon. Zion. Bryant. Mike Conley. Derek White. Prime Twine. Joel Embiid for the Sixers. For Portland. Greg Brown. Carmelo Anthony. De'Aaron Fox. Cantor. Kobe White. Robinson. And Batum. Simmons trade. Oof. Let's see. Let me think about that for a second. See what that does for Brooklyn. They get better defense. They don't need a point guard, do they? I guess if Kyrie can't play home games. Sixers could get some shooting. I don't know. It's a nice one. Jamtastic Hollow. Anthony Edwards for the T-Wolves. Cool looking card. Quentin Grimes. Rookie for the Knicks. Is it Grimes or Grims? Someone can spell that out for me. Josh Jackson. I'm guessing Grimes. Tobias Harris. Cole Anthony, Kyle Anderson, Monte Morris, Levert. Levert. To 199, Terrence Ross for the Orlando Magic, 49 of 199. Cam Thomas for the Brooklyn Nets. Carl Lewis Jr., Poku, Chris Paul. The first one. Grimes. Keldon Johnson. Bam. Powell. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander in the purple, and Zaire Williams. Well, that ain't going to help me, Ryan. English isn't my forte. All right, Grims is 1, Grimes is 2. Give me a 1 for Grims and a 2 for Grimes. Grimes. All right, I think I got it now. Grimes. That's a nice spelling right there, Riley. Thank you. 2. Grimes. Should have an auto in this half. Hopefully a 101 card as well. Gotten. There's Mike. There's always Mike. Mike filled 16 by 20 photo. He's going to go live after this, I'm assuming. Not sure if he's going to put up one more AJ series. It's really good. We should be able to get into that, I think. We don't know what's inside there. I don't want to get... I do want to get into it, but I don't want to. I understand it's an AJ series. It would look bad, I think, if we won or something. How can you say that's not Grims? Hey, it took me a long time for Pokashevsky, I'll tell you that. That AJ series is absolute fire. It is awesome. We're probably more than halfway through it already, too. It's crazy. Maybe we can do a basketball series next, huh? For the Thunder, Theo Melida, Jaylen Brown, LeBron James. I caught the very end of it. Michael Porter Jr. I saw the 2 hits. They were very good. Derek Jones, an awesome time to pull Tariq Kemba. Prime Twine, Kawhi Leonard. Charles Bassey, rookie for the Sixers. Therese Maxey, Draymond Green. Porzingis, Washington. Bogdanovich, Ja Morant. Steph Curry, active free throw leader. Hello for Washington. For Golden State. Jason Preston, rookie for the Clippers. KD, Brooklyn. Pascal Siakam. Drew Bogdanovich. Young Lowry. Got a Brandon Clark to 75. NBA 75th anniversary card. Brandon Clark for the Grizzlies. And Trey Murphy III for the Pelicans. Could we get like mini basketballs, signed basketballs, jersey? I think I've seen mini basketballs. Guess we could put full-size basketballs in there too. I don't see why not. Colin Sexton. Gary Harris. Killian Hayes. McCall Bridges. Jaden McDaniels. Spencer Dinwiddie. We got now playing Jalen Green for the Rockets. Jersey, photos. Isaiah Jackson for the Pacers. Tim Hardaway. Bagley. Marcus Smart. Dylan Brooks. Barton. Joseph Nurkic. Portland. High Courts, Anthony Davis for the Lakers. Rookie Juan Toscano Anderson for Golden State. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Danny Green. Wiggins. Tucker. Plumlee. Collins. We got next Isaiah Jackson for the Pacers. James Bouknight, rookie for the Hornets. He's playing well. Dennis Schroeder. Ooh, now you're thinking. I like it. Come on. CD Osmond. Jashawn Tate. I like that. Paul George. Bertans. Ant-Man. We got a hoopla. The MVP, Nikola Jokic. Duarte. He had a really good start to the season. I always say that. RJ Hampton. Westbrook. Harrison Barnes. Miles Turner. Vucevic. Barrett. Evan Mobley we got next for the Cleveland Cavs. Jared Butler, rookie for the Jazz. LaMelo Ball. Isaiah Stewart. Boucher. McCollum. Young. Paul Millsap now playing Joshua Primo for the Spurs. And Isaiah Todd, rookie for the Wizards. I think I saw our auto in there. I cut to it last time, that's why I put some back. Dro Nose signed shoe. I like it. Valachunas, we just got a nice Giannis shoe in today. On the AJ Kenosha store page, there's a picture of it. It's awesome. Shy, Jalen Smith, Wilt, Robinson, and our auto, it's actually a good one. First round pick, Moses Moody for the Golden State Warriors. Moses Moody. Nice hit, Justin. Hot signature rookies. We got next Trey Mann for the Thunder. Joshua Primo for the Spurs. We got Tatum, Rubio, Lillard, Randall, Kawhi, City Edition Jeremy Grant, JT Thor for the Hornets, Lane, Luka, Nunn Thompson. We got Steven Adams, Justin Holiday, Levine, High Voltage Trae Young for the Atlanta Hawks, and Aaron Wiggins, rookie for the Thunder. No red back, huh? Buy it now. When you get a KD shoe, signed shoe in the store? Maybe that'll get Riley to come down and visit. All right. Chronicles. There was one Cade base. Yeah, one Cade base. Yeah, the auto wasn't bad. Finally got a rookie. All right, good luck on Chronicles. You can have a streak. All right, we have Jashawn Tate of Prestige, James Harden for the Nets, Emmanuel Quickley for the Knicks, Obi Toppin, playbook for the Knicks, Crusade Devin Vassell. We have Jeremy Grant for Detroit on Prism, Giannis Antetokounmpo for the Bucks, and we got a numbered Obi Toppin on an XR for New York. That was kind of a Knicks pack. It is numbered to 99. 53 of 99. Obi Toppin. Sleep on the putting green? Hey, we'll find a job for you. Peyton Pritchard, Giannis, Steph Curry, Luka, that's a numbered Luka, for the Mavericks to 149 out of Chronicles. That is 127 of 149, Luka. Toys don't clean themselves. Got a filler card. Again, I love the look of these. On the honors, Patrick Williams with the color match. So sharp. Isaac Okoro, Cav on the honors. Poku out of XR for the Thunder. And Onyeka Okongwu for Atlanta. Man, I just love the look of these cards. The color match. One touch Williams. I feel if I touch him, he'll get hurt again. I heard he's pretty soft. There you go. Patrick Williams again. Mike Conley. Theo Maledon out of Luminance. Cole Anthony for the Orlando Magic out of Playbook. Again, Isaac Okoro for the Cavs out of Honors. Sadiq Bey, rookie for Detroit out of Pinnacle, or excuse me, Phoenix. Sadiq Bey out of XR for Detroit. And we got a Maxey for the Sixers. 13 of 21. Drafted 21st overall. 13 of 21. Nice hit for the Sixers. I know I have a 138 here. Cool one. Is that titanium? Still should be two autos. Emmanuel Quickly, De'Aaron Fox, Anthony Edwards for the T-Wolves. Oh, there you go. KD. Out of limited to 75. 59 of 75. See our auto coming up. Sadiq Bey, Hometown Heroes for Detroit. Oh, come on. For the Cleveland Cavaliers. Hometown Heroes, Lamar Stevens. $52 of $99 going out to the Cleveland Cavaliers. And we got a LaMelo Ball out of Marquee. And Denny Avdija, the Wizards, out of XR. You didn't split the nets, so it's all you. Should be one more auto in there, hopefully better than Lamar Stevens. We got LaMelo Ball, rookie out of Prestige. Kawhi Leonard for the Clippers. James Wiseman, rookie for Golden State. We got a numbered Josh Green to 99 on the blue foil for the Dallas Mavericks. Crusade Steph Curry, Golden State. Got a numbered Patrick Williams. Out of Rookies and Stars, Crusade Purple. It is numbered to 49. 26 of 49, Patrick Williams. Theo Maledon for the Thunder, and Patrick Williams again at a marquee. I haven't pulled much Halliburton in a while. That is true. Not intentionally. Maybe he's an optic. I don't think I've pulled Halliburton out of optic contenders. I don't think we pulled LaMelo either. A couple Edwards, I believe. Last pack should be our last auto. Aaron Naismith for Boston. Kemba. We have Malachi Flynn for the Raptors. We got a numbered Jason Tatum out of Plates and Patches for Boston. Oh, it's a redemption. Let's get our guesses in. $10 on the line. $10 break credit on the line. One guess per person. Duplicate guess is a wasted guess. You do not have to be in the break to participate. Out of Crusade, Therese Maxey for the Sixers. Devin Booker for the Suns. And Jashawn Tate for the Rockets. I see Mike quickly in there with LaMelo. Quickly. No vet guy. Oh, there is a Middleton. I know Luka is a redemption out of here. If it's ball, Jacob wins. Deal. Patrick Williams. All right. Good luck. Good luck. Luka, Jalen Smith. How many guesses is he going to take there? Limited rookie jersey auto. It is a rookie. It's card number 35. Boom! LaMelo Ball. Auto limited rookie jersey auto. Nice hit for Mr. Clucky. I feel wrong calling you Clucky. I got to call you Benjamin. Nice hit. LaMelo Ball. Limited rookie jersey auto. Bang. Bang. That's 2 LaMelos in a week. I got to take Moses Moody off of there, right? Put LaMelo up there. Congrats, Mr. Benjamin. Hey, there's AJ's. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't know why I can't pull Halliburton. You know, all of last year I never pulled. I came into basketball late. If you guys remember, Megan was doing basketball, so I didn't have a ton of opportunity. But I never pulled a Zion rookie. I pulled a couple Jaws, but never got a LaMelo or never got a Zion rookie. Pulled the redemption a second year for him. I got to do some last year products so I can try to hit that rookie auto still. Well, do we want that auto? I guess Ja's better now, right? I mean, I'd rather have Ja. First card out of Optic Contenders. Triple J going to the Grizzlies. Yeah, you got, it's right, you got that to 10 Melo out of Mosaic. Second card out for the Jazz on the silver. Mike Conley. Yes, who got the $10 break credit? You got that. Mike got it, but gave it up, I think. Vucevic for the Bulls on the red. Yeah, I think I saw the auto, and I'm not happy. Nikola Vucevic. Hopefully I'm wrong. That's a nice one. Stay hot, Charlotte. Uniformity, cracked ice, LaMelo Ball. Uniformity, LaMelo Ball, cracked ice. Nice hit again. We got team tandems for the Heat. Jimmy Butler and Bam Adebayo on the silver. Right, a little LaMelo on top of your LaMelo. And our auto, it is who I thought it was. On card for Golden State, Nico Mannion. Rookie ticket, that is a name variation. Doesn't have his first name on there. Nico Mannion on the silver, not numbered. Going to Golden State. Golden State got a couple nice autos. I don't know. Gotta be careful I use the word nice. I don't know where to put this. Let's get a recap. Out of the hoops, we had the high voltage Trae Young for Atlanta. Evan Mobley on the We Got Next insert for the Cavs. Now playing Jalen Green for the Rockets. Steph Curry, active free throw leader insert. Brandon Clark to 75 for the Grizzlies, 6 of 75. Jamtastic Anthony Edwards for the T-Wolves. Terrence Ross to 199 for Orlando. Cam Thomas for Brooklyn. Zaire Williams, rookie for the Grizz. We got a high court Trae Young hollow for Atlanta. Cade Cunningham, rookie base. AO for Chicago. Road to the finals, LeBron to 2021. We got next. Josh Giddey. Quentin, shit. Dang. Quentin Grims, right? On the purple. Josh Giddey. Scotty Barnes for the Raptors. Road to the finals. It's a little bit of a short print. To 199 for the Bucks. 3 of 199. Giannis. And Brooke Lopez to 99. 58 of 99. Run it back. We can definitely run it back. Out of Chronicles, we have Patrick Williams on the honors. Jason Tatum for Boston to 99. 28 of 99. Plates and patches. LaMelo Ball out of Prestige. James Wiseman out of Panini. Josh Green for Dallas to 99 on the blue foil. Rookies and stars. Patrick Williams, the Crusade purple to 49. Anthony Edwards for the T-Wolves. LaMelo Ball out of Marquee. We have a Luka numbered to 149 for the Mavs. And Obi Toppin for the Knicks out of XR to 99. So we had Tyrese Maxey for the Sixers. It's a nice card. 13 of 21 out of Titanium. Cool hit for the Sixers. Nice one for Brooklyn. KD out of Limited to 75. 59 of 75. Can move that over now. Out of Optic, we had Triple J for the Grizzlies. Mike Conley for the Utah Jazz on the silver. Vucevic for the Bulls on the red that was not numbered. And Team Tandems silver for the Heat. Jimmy Butler and Bam Adebayo. We had LaMelo Ball on the uniformity. Cracked ice. Not numbered. Cool hit for Charlotte. Out of Chronicles, we had Lamar Stevens for the Cleveland Cavaliers, Hometown Heroes. That's numbered to 99, 52 of 99. Out of Hoops, Golden State, Moses Moody, hot signature rookies. Nice hit, Golden State. You also got his teammate, Nico Mannion. Rookie ticket name variation. That one's not numbered on the silver. And the banger. Out of Chronicles, limited rookie jersey auto LaMelo Ball. Bang, bang. Nice hit. Benjamin and the Hornets. Oh, Von Rent. Welcome, welcome. I appreciate it, guys. I'm going to check in on NASCAR National Treasures. Hopefully that is full. I will check on the mini, hopefully run it, find our winners. And Mike should be going live, I believe, shortly with his photo. Thanks again. About.